Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do I guess I'm gonna call it a blue smoky eye look, makeup look. So I already did my foundation, concealer, powder, and eyebrows, and I already set it my eyelid and stuff. So I'm gonna take the Morphe 39A palette. I'm gonna take the shade Define Me and use that as my transition shade. Um, and just blend it out. So the reason I'm doing this look is because I wanted to get out my comfort zone. Because I'm more of a neutral type of girl, like brown, like more of the brown side a little bit. But so I guess I just wanted to use some color, like some color. So I decided to use blue. Um, but yeah, anyway, the next shade I'm gonna go into is called Evolve, and I'm just using that to deepen the first transition shade. I want to darken it a little bit. So the next shade I'm going to is called Indigo. And with this shade, I'm being very light-handed because I don't know how it will look, and I think I know for sure that if you go in pretty heavy, it might be hard for, especially for me, to blend out, because it's like this is my first time using like a color like this. So yeah, that's why I try to go in very lightly. So I'm just blending that out so it won't be no harsh lines. So the next shade I'm going to go to is called Image, and I'm just putting that in the middle of my lid where I had left that space open. And I just use some MAC Fix Plus just to enhance the color. And so I already did my mascara and my lower lash line. And please don't mind my eyes. My eyes is red because it's allergies for me right now. And but anyway, so for highlight, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution and Soap palette. Just putting some on my Cupid's bow, down the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. And so for lips, I'm taking the ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade Getty. I've been wanting to use this shade for a while, so I was like, F it, I'm gonna use it anyway. Well, I'm gonna use it here. Oh, I'm going way overboard. And that is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoy me doing this blue makeup look. That's what I'm calling right now, is blue makeup look. I think I did pretty well, considering I was a little nervous about using blue, but I wanted to use blue, so I had to get out of my comfort zone. I was scared, I ain't gonna lie, I was scared. I was pretty scared. But I was like, oh well. And I just went on and did it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Deuces.